Good morning, students. Today is 27 April, Tuesday, and our topic is separation of substances. This is the lesson third of the class 6. Okay, now in our previous class we have discussed about the separation. What is the separation? Okay, now we have also discussed about the substances and the pure substances and the mixtures. In that topic, we have discussed about the pure substances, components, mixtures, and the constitutes also. Now today we are going to talk on the properties of mixtures. Today we are going to talk on the properties of mixture. Okay, now the first property, a mixture does not have a fixed composition. A mixture does not have a mixed composition. That is, the components of mixture may be present in any ratio. Okay. Second point. The components of a mixture retain their individual properties. Third point, the components of a mixture can be separated by simple method. You can easily separate it to these mixtures. Okay, now a mixture does not have mixed melting and the boiling points. The mixture does not have fixed melting and boiling points, means they have a boiling and a melting point, but they are not at the fixed melting and the boiling point. Now our next point is types of a mixture. What types of a mixture? If we talk on that, okay, types of a mixture, then first topic is homogeneous. What? Homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Okay, let's talk on the homogeneous. What is the homogeneous mixture? The mixture that have a uniform composition throughout are called homogeneous mixture. The mixture that have a uniform composition throughout are called the homogeneous mixture. Is a homogeneous mixture. So in a homogeneous mixture, the components are distributed uniformly. Uniformly. As a result, each part of the mixture has the same properties. Same properties. The components of a homogeneous mixture are not clearly visible. For example, a mixture of a salt in a water, a homogeneous mixture, because where we can't see the salt, the distilled salt, okay, now, or soluted salt. Okay, air is also a homogeneous mixture of a different types of the gases. Okay, now we know there is a biggest part of the nitrogen gas is present in the air, but we can't see the nitrogen gas in the air. Okay, we can't see. These are also oxygens and the argon and the most of the many other gases. Okay, but we can't see any gases. We can't see any gas particle. Okay, na class. Okay. Let's talk on the second point. The second point is heterogeneous. What is the heterogeneous? A mixture that do not have a uniform composition is the opposite. It is the opposite of the homogeneous. So the mixture that do not have a uniform composition throughout are called heterogeneous. What? Heterogeneous mixture. In a heterogeneous mixture, the components are not distributed. Evenly. What? Evenly. Thus, each part of a mixture does not have the same properties. What? Thus, each part of the mixture does not have the same properties. For example, if you take the examples, a mixture of the sand and water, is a heterogeneous mixture. Okay, now mixture of cloth powder in a water is also a heterogeneous mixture. Okay, now it's time for your homework. You have to tell me what are minerals. Okay, in the class. Thank you.